Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to restrict or block any apps or games in Android smartphones and tablets. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as App Blocker, Pause and Control. And the first list will see the application. Just click on it. Now click on Install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on Open. On opening it will ask you some permissions. Just click on I agree and click on Continue. Now click on this Enable Accessibility. Now click on this Install Apps. Click on this App Blocker. Turn on this option. Click on Allow. Just move back. Once again, click on this Enable Users Access. Just turn on this App Blocker option. Just move back. Now all the installed apps and games will be shown here. So say, let me try to lock this calculator application. Just click on this lock. Now you need to set your PIN. Click on save. And now you can see here a locked icon is appearing. So I have locked it. So now you can just minimize it. Now let me try to open this calculator application. So now you can see it's asking a PIN to unlock this app in order to use it. Let us try again. So it's perfectly working. So by using this cool application named as App Blocker, Pause and Control, you can easily restrict or block any apps or games in Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.